Happy holidays, everyone! Welcome to my channel. Before I jump into today's video, I first want to give a quick shout out to today's sponsor, Dossier Perfumes. For anyone who doesn't know, Dossier Perfumes is a perfume company that specializes in creating high quality scents inspired by your favorite, most iconic perfumes, but at an affordable price with bottles starting at only $29. And you guys can see it comes with a card, as well as a sample bottle for you guys to test out whether or not you like it. This one is for Floral Rose. And I'm going to go over everything right now. So basically on the card, it states the notes or the ingredients in the bottle, what it's inspired by. So this one's inspired by Le Labo, which is a great perfume, retails at about $200, the concentration level and a how it works section at the bottom. And here's the full-size bottle as well. As you guys can see, the top notes are labeled, all natural ingredients, no crazy chemicals involved. So I'm pretty sure that it's good for people with perfume allergies as well. Now I'm holding up the Floriental Brown Sugar. Oh my gosh, you guys, I tried this today. What an amazing scent for winter. It just has such a warm, fuzzy feeling to it. I can't really explain it, but I absolutely love it. And I also got a candle. This is my Gourmand White Flowers candle, and it also lists the ingredients as well. You guys can see I'm spraying on the brown sugar perfume in the video once I complete my look, so stay tuned. But basically, if you guys are interested, you guys can check out the link in my description box down below, as well as a coupon code for you guys to use at checkout. These are amazing perfumes, you guys. I literally have not used anything else, and I have owned a bunch of luxury perfumes before, but honestly, I can say that these are well worth the price. They stay on your body all day, and if you guys are interested, definitely go check it out. Now, on to the video. So first I'm going to go in with my Milk Makeup Hydro Primer. This is my tried and true favorite base for my makeup. I think it works really great. Then I go in with my Bobbi Brown foundation. This is pretty light on my skin right now, only because I have been out in the sun a lot this year. Last year, this foundation was literally the perfect shade for my skin. I was so pale, I did not leave my house even once. But since it's already on my face, and since I feel like being pretty luxurious today because it is Christmas, I am just gonna go for it, and I'm gonna blend it out with a brush because that's what's gonna give it the most even and most flawless blend, as you guys can see right here. Then I go in with concealer, and I'm just applying this under my eyebrows and onto my eyelids because this is actually going to be a base for our eyeshadow look that we're doing today, which is a red Jingle Bell sparkly look that I am super excited for you guys to see. This is one of my bolder looks that I've done on this channel. You guys know I usually tend to go for the more natural or more smoky eye looks, but here we're going in with some red. So I'm taking a dark mulberry red type of color. I think this is mulberry. I don't know. It is a berry color, but I'm basically applying that all over my eyelid as well as onto my crease, starting from the crease first and then working my way inward. Doesn't really matter how much you put on. Just matters that you get it onto the lid all over your eye and then go in on top of just your lid with a sparkly red shade. So we're only using two shades. We're using a matte red and a sparkly red, and the sparkly red is going just on the eye. Then you're going to go back in with your matte berry red, and you're going to use that on your crease only, and then you're going to blend out the reds so that everything is nice and evenly blended. And it's totally fine if everything looks messy. You guys can see there's so much eyeshadow residue on my eyes right now, but we're going to go ahead and clean that up in a second with concealer. So as you guys can see, I'm placing concealer under my brow, and then I'm going in with a very thin brush, and in just one motion, I'm just kind of pushing aside all of the eyeshadow residue under my brow. And then I'm shaping everything to my liking with an eyeshadow brush once again. So to conceal all of the other residue on my face, I'm going in with a concealer This is my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Concealer, and it is in the shade Ivory because I just love a bright eye. I always have. And I'm blending all of that out before going in with my Derma Blend powder. It's a translucent powder. I've been using this since summer. Works really great. Locks in all the moisture in the world on your skin. Now I'm using my fan brush to apply bronzer to the hollows of my cheeks. Give some color to my face before going in with my darker cream concealer and using that to contour my nose. I'm just applying this on the sides of my nose and on the tip of my nose as well before using my beauty blender to blend it out, as well as my powder to set it in. Now I go in with my highlight and using my brush, the same brush. You don't have to use the same brush, I just am just because. But I'm using that to apply highlight to my Cupid's bow, my cheeks, and my nose, and the sides of my forehead as well. Kind of like reverse Rudolph here. Red eyes and then glowy nose, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, on to blush. So since we want to go for that nice rosy cheeked cherub vibe, I'm using my kabuki brush and I'm applying the blush to the apples of my cheeks. Then I'm going in with my eyebrow pencil for my eyebrows. I actually royally messed up this eyebrow here, but that's totally fine because since I'm using pencil, I can just draw out the eyebrow to my liking. But anyway, I'm pretty much just using my pencil to outline the natural shape of my eyebrow and then filling in the places where I need to fill it in. This can get a little tricky with pencil, so just make sure that you have a sharpener handy so that you can get more color onto your brow. I personally like to use pencil because it just makes it look a little bit more realistic as opposed to gel, which can make it look more carved out. But either way, the technique is the same. This eyebrow is actually a lot better. This eyebrow is what I wish I did to my other eyebrow, but I'm just going along the natural shape of it. And it's looking good. Then I go in with my mascara, and since I really despise using eyelash curlers, I use a nice handy technique that is used by many people in the makeup industry, which is basically to wiggle your brush at the base of your eyelashes. And this actually will allow the eyelash to naturally fan out. But either way, I'm still applying some fake natural lashes. Then I go in with my eyeliner. This is the Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez eyeliner. I love it so much. I really love it like a love song. But I just apply it to the outer corners of my eye before taking my highlight once again and using a brush to apply that to the inner corners of my eye, as well as the waterline / beneath my lashes, my lower lashes, because I'm not trying to look like an anime character. I just want my eyes to look just a little bit wider than normal. Now using my lip combo, this is the Wet n Wild lip liner, and I also got a lip gloss to match it, but this is in the shade, I believe it's called Plumberry. It's a very beautiful, natural looking cream liner, and I just apply that to my lips before going in with the cream gloss and applying that. It's really shiny, really pretty. Then I just use my setting spray, and here's the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys ever try this look out, make sure you guys tag me. I would love to see it. Leave a comment down below telling me what makeup look I should do next. Make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for an amazing year. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and I'll see you soon.